Hello Language Arts fans, we are going to show you today how to get started on your Choose Your Own Adventure. So we're going to be doing this in Google Drive on Google Slides. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Drive. Now you can get through it on the Kenai Borough website, or if you log into your Google account you can get to Drive and you should get up to your own drive and it should look like this. You can also go to that and you can click there to get to Drive. It's the triangle, green, blue, and yellow triangle, not the mail. You want that one. Okay, so you're going to get into your Drive and you're going to come over here and hit New. So I'm going to hit New and you're going to go down here to New Google Slides and you're going to click on Google Slides and up will pop your Google Slideshow, a Google Slideshow. So the first thing you want to do is name it up here in the title. So you're going to come up here in the title and you're going to put Choose Your Own Adventure, and it would help me in grading if you put your name after it, or the title of your story, one or the other. I'm just going to go Mr. Herbst. Okay, and you have your one slide that's up, and then this is where you would put your title of your Choose Your Own Adventure story. So I'm going to just call mine The Three Pigs, and then I'm going to put by Mr. Herbst. Okay, now I'm going to show you later how to animate and to put pictures and background and all that, but we're not worried about that right now. The only thing we're worried about is getting your story that you wrote last week into this slideshow. So your next thing to do is you're going to get another slide. So up here you have a plus sign over here. You're going to hit that, and you're going to hit that so you get at least 6 slides. Because this will be, I'm going to go through this. If we look at the plan, your first slide is your title, but your second one is going to be your introductory paragraph with your setting and your characters. Then you're going to have problem 1, problem 2, and then you're going to have 4 endings, 1, 2, and it looks like I need to add, so you're going to have 8 slides total as a bare minimum. If you want more, you can have more. Now where am I going with this? I'm going to show you a finished slideshow of another student, and then we'll come back to this. So if I go to, let's go to this one. This is one that a student did. Hers is very short, but it will give you an idea of how it works. So if I hit present, up pops her Choose Your Own Adventure. She has her title page, she has her introductory paragraph, and then she has 2 choices. She can either go here or she can go there. I'm going to go there and click on it, and then it goes to her middle problem and her story continues, and then she has 2 choices again. I'll move this up, see the choice there or there. Let's not reopen the business, and then she has her ending, and then I think she has it where she has her thank you of who she is. So that's one method of doing it. I'll show you another one that a student did who wrote a little bit longer. Didn't keep it to the 8 slides. She actually wrote it out as a story and she has a bunch of endings as she goes through. I'm going to show you, and she put some animations in. We can go yes or no. We can click here. We can use a stranger's number. We can click there, and the story just keeps going through on how you make the choices as you go through. And I'm going to show you how to do this with your story. And then you can see her story there. It ended right there as you go through. Alright, so that's the overview. Let's go back to our one that we started, the 3 pigs, and what I'm going to do is show you how to get to your slides. Over here you have that. There's my title slide. Now I'm going to go there. This is going to be where you introduce, you could call this paragraph 1, just so you can sort it out in your head better. And then you would type or cut and paste. A lot of you typed your story in Google Docs already, and you could cut and paste it right in here. I'm going to write my story about the 3 little pigs, as all the way down the line. As we come through, And that's, let's say I have my introduction, and I'm going to put here so you understand. Introduction slash setting slash characters. And I would think you could probably get that done today. Your title slide and then your introductory paragraph. And then I'll show you how to get the problem solution and how to link them up on the next presentation.